Imagine a home where Japanese possession meets Indian hospitality. That is exactly what Japan, my bad, Kusumi offers. A harmonious blend of two culture, which is both serene and sophisticated. Hello my investors and my dear end users, this is Manya Sharma, your guide to luxury real estates, and today I'm thrilled to show you around the project which has both opulence and convenience. This is Kusumi Residences at Sector 36A. Developed as the first Indo-Japanese mega real estate project, Kusumi is a joint venture in between the Sumitomo Corporation, Japan's largest conglomerate, and India's largest OEM, the Maruti Group. This collaboration brings in a 400 years of legacy and expertise that ensures that this project is perfectly designed and delivered to perfection. So we are talking about the location Sector 36A, a sweet spot of Gurugram's luxury corridor, an island I must say. Strategically positioned at the junction of Dwarka Expressway, NH48 and CPR Road. In just minutes, you are connected to the global city which is sharing boundaries with Kusumi, the RRTS in just 10 minutes, the upcoming 28-kilometer Gurgaon's metro line in 12 minutes, the Cyber City, Udyog Vihar and MG Road in somewhere around 25 to 30 minutes, and IGI Airport in 30 minutes. And that's not all. Vedanta Hospital, Hero Honda Chowk, Ambience Mall and Dwarka Subcity all lies in within easy reach. You know why Sector 36A? Because it is not just about the convenience, it is about the capital appreciation, the rising demand, and of course, the infrastructure-led development. Now, what does this project offers? Spread across 33 acres of land parcel in Dwarka Expressway, this project offers everything that you need in one vicinity. Consider it as a city being developed in multiple phases. This is not just a project, it's an experience. Let's break it down. 4 phases launched so far, a fully master planned city and designed by a renowned brand, Nikken Sekai. Each residences boast engineered wood flooring, VRV air conditioning and fixtures from the brands like Toto and Grohe. Here's a quick breakdown of Kusumi. So this is phase 1. We are standing at phase 1. This is 1 tower, Tower 2, Tower 3. Total comprises of 3 towers, a club of 36,000 square feet. So this is phase 2, a standalone tower. So this is the phase 3, comprises of 3 towers, tower number 1, tower number 2 and tower number 3. And that's the phase 4, again a standalone tower, the highest tower in Kusumi, which is all sold out. Cascade Clubhouse, a lifestyle magnet. No one likes to compromise, and at Kusumi, you never have to. Introducing the Cascade Club, a private 160,000 square feet luxury sanctuary exclusively for phase 3 and phase 4 residents. From the moment you enter, you're welcomed by a drop-off driveway, an elegant reception, a sunken courtyard, and terrace lounges designed to impress. Now let's talk about the showstopper, the hospitality. With restaurants for every appetite, from an authentic Japanese restaurant, a live-action teppanyaki room, to multi-cuisine dining, private dining suites, and even a pre-function area for your big events. This is a 5-star living every single day. Adding to that, India's first indoor air-conditioned sports arena, all-weathered pool, spa, steam, sauna, cigar lounge, wine bar, co-working zones, squash, paddle, futsal, and more. Designed by Japan's top architects and backed by Rs 300 crore vision, Cascade isn't just a clubhouse. It's your lifestyle upgrade. Now let's talk money, because investors like you and me, we are here for returns. So phase 1 was launched in 2019 at the rate of 8,000 rupees per square feet. Today, we are sitting at rupees 20,000 to 20,500 per square feet at resale value, which is 100% plus appreciation in just 4 years. If you would have bought a 3.5 BHK at 2.50 CR, you would be sitting at somewhere around 2.50 CR, an appreciated value, which is 100% appreciation, which is a post-COVID effect. So phase 2 was launched in 2023. And the price was somewhere around 15,350 rupees per square feet to 15,750 rupees per square feet. Today the resale value is somewhere around 18,500 per square feet to 19,000 rupees per square feet. which is huge, in just 2 years. While your FD gave you a return of 7%, this project gave you a return of 3 years in just 1 year flat. Phase 3 was launched recently at rupees 20,800 rupees per square feet and is already seeing resale buzz at rupees 24,000 per square feet. And Phase 4 was launched at 20,400 rupees per square feet and it's again seeing a buzz of resale in around 24,000 per square feet. So these are the numbers, the facts and the figures which shows that the appreciation has been done really good. The mammoth size. According to the report of JLL, comparing the performance, DLF Aralias, Crest, Magnolia, Central Park, the rental yields are starting from rupees 70 to rupees 100 per month. And at Rasumi, the expected rental for a fully furnished units, can you guess that? It's rupees 100 to 110 per month. And I assure you, it is better than any commercial asset with a lower risk and higher livability. A 2.50 crore investment today sets you up for a sustained capital growth and a strong rental income tomorrow. So real estate is all about timing. And right here today, this is what I call an early mover jackpot. Thank you for joining us today. If you're interested in learning more or having a site visit, feel free to reach us out. You can comment down on the section below or you can also give us a call on the given number. Till then, Manya Sharma signing off. Thank you.